Okay, so hello everyone, this is Akshay here and let us continue with the next streak of our GFG POTD. तो ये स्ट्रीक कब तक चलते रहेगी यार? हमने डे 4 भी कंप्लीट कर लिया, माइलस्टोन अचीव हो चुका है मेरे ख्याल से, मेरी तरफ से. तो ये स्ट्रीक चलते रहेगी जब तक हमारा वो सेकंड प्लेलिस्ट है, जैसे मैंने 194 क्वेश्चंस कवर करने हैं, और उसके बाद हमारी एक शीट कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. एक सेकंड. हाँ, तो तब तक ये स्ट्रीक चलती रहेगी यार, राइट? तो ठीक है. आज का क्वेश्चन एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है और ओवरलैपिंग इंटरवल्स ये क्वेश्चन अगर आपने कर रखा है तो आप ये क्वेश्चन से बहुत अच्छे से रिलेट कर पाए होते. सो लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन. मैक्सिमम मीटिंग्स इन वन रूम. देयर इज वन मीटिंग रूम इन अ फर्म. तो बेसिकली हमारे पास ओके वन सेक. सो बेसिकली हमारे पास टाइम इंटरवल्स दे रखे हैं मीटिंग के, करेक्ट? व्हाट हैपेंड? या तो ये जो है ये स्टार्ट टाइम है. दिस इज द स्टार्ट टाइम ऑफ द मीटिंग एंड दिस इज द एंड टाइम ऑफ द मीटिंग, राइट? हमें मैक्सिमम मीटिंग्स करवाने हैं, correct? What else? Or be if two meetings can be chosen from the same slot, then choose the meeting with the smaller index in the given array. ठीक है, तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को रीड करो. एंड वन हिंट आई वुड से दैट अगर ये क्वेश्चन होता मिनिमम मीटिंग्स इन वन रूम, राइट, तो सेम क्वेश्चन ओवरलैपिंग इंटरवल क्वेश्चन में बदल जाता है. ओवरलैपिंग इंटरवल्स में आप ओवरलैपिंग इंटरवल से कोड यहाँ पे रन करते हैं, एवरीथिंग वुड हैव बीन सॉर्टेड. अब आप इस हिंट को यूज करने की कोशिश करो. मैक्सिमम है तो हमें क्या चेंजेस करने होंगे, राइट? हमें किस पॉइंट को लेके सॉर्ट करना होगा. ठीक है, आई होप आपने कुछ तो सोचा ही होगा, बट ठीक है, देखते हैं अभी क्वेश्चन कैसे हो रहा है. तो जो व्हाटएवर द टाइम स्लॉट्स वी हैव गिवन, सबसे पहले उसको ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, राइट? फिर हम देखते हैं कि मीटिंग कैसे कराने की जरूरत है ताकि हमारे पास मैक्सिमम आउटपुट आ जाए. सो सबसे पहली मीट है 1 से 2 के बीच. देन वी हैव फ्रॉम 3 to 4. Then we have from 0 to 6. So let's say 0 to 6 is this line. What else we have? We have 5 to 7. So let us take this point and this point. 5 to 7. What else we have? 8 to 9. So that means 8 and 9. And we have 5 to 9. So this one and this one. Right? ठीक है, तो आप one thing, try to understand it, try to observe it, that अगर if by any chance if we have considered this meeting to be happened, then definitely ये दो मीट हम फिर नहीं करा पाएंगे, right? तो that means the one which is the of the higher intervals हम उसे neglect करने की कोशिश करें. उसके देखें कि अगर ये large meet के अंदर दो parts है तो हम उसको ज़्यादा preference दें क्योंकि we want the maximum meetings to be held, right? So in this case we will not take this meet because if we have a meeting just once from 0 to 6 time and अगर हम इसे रोक सके then definitely हम दो मीटिंग करा पाएंगे from 1 to 2 and 3 to 4, right? Okay, so that means that we are making a meet happen with the lowest end time, right? जिसकी end time कम है हम उसकी मीट पहले कराएंगे. So we will sort the given array in respect to end time, let's say, right? But I think in this question already it is given sorted for the end time, right? So but still let me write it down. So 1 2 4 6 7 9 and 9. So you can clearly see this sorted ending time, right? With respective to it, return, just map the starting points. So 1 3 0 5 8 and 5, correct? Also the index, we need to return the index, right? So let's say the index of this meet is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we will start to make the meet happen for the lowest end time and then we'll keep on seeing it, right? ठीक है, तो देखते हैं यार. So once it the time interval starting from 1 to 2, we can make this meet happen, right? So I'm just taking it here. Now the another meet can happen only if it starts from after 2, right? So what I need to compare that my current start time should be greater than my previous meeting end time. ये हमें चेक करना होगा. ठीक है, तो अब हम दूसरे आरे पे गए. Now we can clearly see the second meeting that could be possible is from 3 to 4. Now I will check. So here I will maintain a variable, let's say t, and my ending time is 2, right? So I will make the next meet happen only if the starting point is greater than my previous meeting ending point. Then only it will not collide, right? So I can clearly see that 3 is greater than 2. तो हम इस meet को भी होने देंगे and we'll update our ending time variable as 4. Now this happens. Okay, so the next is 0 to 6. Now clearly you can see the starting point is 0 and my ending point was previously 4. So that cannot happen, right? So we'll not take this meet. We'll move ahead again. 5 to 7. So my again starting point of my current meet is 5 and my previous ending time was 4. So definitely 5 to 7 only meet को हम करा सकते हैं, right? So this will happen and my t will be updated as my new ending point as 7. Now let us see the next meet. So it is from 8 to 9. Again, the starting point is greater than my previous meeting ending point, right? So we will make this meet happen as well. So this will happen, which one? 8 to 9. And my ending point will be updated as 9 now. Now the next is 5, right? Now 5 is clearly not greater than my previous meeting ending time. तो हम इसे भी नहीं कराएंगे, right? So what we need to return the index of the meetings we had. So we had meeting 1, we had meeting 2, we had meeting 4, we had meeting 5. You need to sort it and you need to return it. So 1, 2, 4 and 5 it is sorted as well, right? ठीक है. So homework for you guys, or let's say you should do more things now. Please dry run some more cases, right, until you understand this dry run completely by heart, or unless you are satisfied with this logic and intuition. Once you are done with that, please go ahead with the coding section, try to code this approach. Now the code will be same as it is. Now for those who code in Java, अगर आप ये नहीं समझ पा रहे हो कि हम स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग पॉइंट को कैसे सॉर्ट करें, राइट? मतलब एरेज डॉट सॉर्ट तो लगाते हैं तो वो असेंडिंग हो जाता है, बट हम कैसे करें? तो ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड दिस क्वेश्चन इज अ प्रीरिक्विजिट. हम यहाँ पे एक पेयर का हेल्प लेते हैं एंड देन वी हैव अ कंपैरेटर, जिसके वजह से हम किसी भी कस्टम एलिमेंट के लिए सॉर्टिंग कर सकते हैं, राइट? ठीक है, ट्राई टू कोड दिस अप्रोच अगेन बाय योरसेल्फ एंड let us meet again, maybe from your side by in 5 to 7 minutes. ठीक है, I hope you're able to do it. So हमने वही किया यार, हमने एक पेयर बनाया. We had a pair of linear array of size n. Now I'm just pushing all the starting point and the ending point in this pair, and I'm also pushing one more value, that is I plus 1, that is the index of the meeting. Now I'm calling arrays dot sort of array, and what is this pair is doing? It is taking 3 parameters and then we are implementing to interface comparable, which has inbuilt function compare to. We are overriding it and we are saying that you sort this particular pair according to the ending point, right? What else we have? So we have a time variable that is mapping it to the first meeting of the ending time, right? Then we have an array list, because the return type is array list. We have initialized that it has answer. We are pushing the first index of our first meeting, and then we are traversing for rest of the meetings, and we are checking that if the current meeting starting point should be greater than my previous meeting ending point, then definitely that current meeting will not collide and we can make it happen, right? If that's the case, add it into the answer, add the index into the answer, update your time as the new ending point of this current end of the meeting, and then at last we just sort the answer and then you return the answer, right? So that is it. So meanwhile it is submitting, what would be the time and space complexity? So we are just using n for of till n. So O of n, we are sorting it, it will be take O of n log n. So n plus n log n plus O of n again here, right? So the overall time state would be n log n O of n as space. Great. So here goes our submission with the Java. एक बार C++ भी देख लेते हैं. C++ user may be related to well. तो हमने again class pair बनाया. We have sorted it according to the ending point and everything remains same. Instead of array list we have vector and everything. Instead of array dot sort we have array dot begin and array dot end. You can relate it, right? So okay, great, that code got submitted. And a few last things. Yes, so that's my YouTube channel. If you have understood the problem and the intuition, do like, share and subscribe, support our community, be a part of this exclusive YouTube channel where we learn DSA and where the consistency is the foundation pillar, right? So here are the bunch of playlists, you can go through it, and also we have started one new playlist, that is Lead Code Solution. So we have a bunch of 194 questions in it. I am daily uploading 1 to 2 questions, and you can clearly see that most of the questions we have already covered in the POTD, right? Just adding those questions in the list, and if not, I will make a new video. So that is going the great pace. To follow it, make sure to use the time at its full extent. So let us meet again the tomorrow's POTD streak, and till then keep learning, keep going, bye bye, and take care guys.